In this chat, we're tackling that annoying plastic and sewer gas smell coming from your bathroom and laundry room, even after a plumber swapped out the wax ring and ruled out some usual suspects. So here's the deal. When you get that funky smell, especially in warmer weather, it often means there's a venting or trap issue somewhere. Since your toilet wax ring was replaced but the smell stuck around, and the washing machine drain hose is secure and shouldn't be siphoning, you might want to look into other traps or vents that could be drying out. If you have floor drains in your slab-on-grade setup, those traps can dry up from evaporation, allowing sewer gases to sneak back in, so pouring water in them regularly can help seal the deal. An old or faulty air admittance valve, AAV, can also cause weird smells, but you mentioned that was replaced and fixed one issue already, so that's good. The standpipe for the washer needs to be properly vented too. If it's not, it can cause negative pressure and pull air through the trap, which smells bad. You might want to check if all vents are connected and functioning correctly, or if there's a blockage somewhere. It's also worth considering whether there's any hidden damage around the toilet base or under the laundry connections, causing leaks or gaps for gases to escape. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to fix sewer smells is assuming the wax ring replacement solves everything. It's only part of the puzzle. Another common issue is forgetting about floor drain traps drying out, which is easy to overlook but super important for stopping smells. Lastly, improper or blocked venting can cause pressure issues in your plumbing system, leading to those nasty odors coming back no matter what you do. To fix these, keep traps filled with water regularly, have a professional do a smoke test to find hidden leaks or vent blockages, and double-check every vent pipe for proper installation. These steps usually catch what's causing those stubborn smells before you have to start cutting into walls. BigHomeProjects.com is solid if you need help connecting with reliable local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to plumbing and ventilation fixes like this. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for new projects, it's a great spot to find folks who need your services nearby without all the hassle.